Yo, what's up?
Yeah, what's up?
So we are in East Bali today again, and we are heading to Virgin Beach, which is one of the most famous beach in East Bali. Seems like it's open and everything, so we will see how it looks. Situation there. There's usually so many local warungs and people chilling around. So
Okay, so this is how the road going to the Virgin Beach. You see one motorbike's going, but the road is not, I think, that permanent asphalt yet. So make sure if you wanna drive using your scooter, make sure you already pro with driving scooter.
and check this out. This dog over here. He actually following us since the parking area. Yes, honey.
Yeah,
That's our guard today.
there go. Okay, so you see that's the road,
The road is like this.
rocky.
And the
So,
beach
yeah.
is over there. We will be there in 5 minutes. So the landscape is actually beautiful. There's so many coconut trees and everything. And we are going down to the beach. Now is the stairs here, so this is something new actually. And here we go. This is the beach. It looks beautiful. It's very wide, very nice sand, but it also seems like it's very quiet over here. There are some warungs, as I said, they are there, but I see only like this fisherman and another one over here, and it's a bit windy also, but yeah. Alright, so we are on the beach actually right now, and this beach is called Virgin Beach
A white sand beach.
because simply beach is white here. Usually the beaches in East Bali, they are dark sand or black sand, but here are actually really very nice, as you can see now. And yeah, it's very quiet and very peaceful here.
I think only us. I mean, like, there is no other tourists here, right?
Yeah, seems like it's no other tourists. There are some local fishermen, and behind us is some young local couple, and that's it. Hello, how are you, my friend?
The situation here is really bad, yeah. No
Yeah.
tourists anymore before, after the corona, yeah.
Unfortunately,
Yeah.
right?
Okay, so I spoke to the owner of the warung, and then he said, Ibu, when the PPKM is started, and yeah, you know, less tourists, and even it's just like nobody is coming here. And I said, yeah, maybe because most of the tourists already going home. I said like that. Yeah, so what we can do? So we have to survive, right?
The beach here is really beautiful, and the water is so blue, sand is so clean, so white. Unfortunately, the beach is totally deserted. It's actually much more quiet than I was expecting. When I was coming here, I was hoping it's a little bit slightly more busier than it is actually right now. There is only one warung open. This guy actually, I record him always whenever I'm here. So he's only one who is open here always, no matter of what. This guy never give up. There's supposed to be another guy, but I cannot see him. His warung is actually closed today. And yeah, the situation is how it is. It's very famous spot in normal conditions. If you ever been here or not. By the way, you can comment below if you ever been in the Virgin Beach or White Sand Beach, however you call this. And yeah, check this out. It's really beautiful. But all the warungs behind me, what you can see now, they are just simply closed, and that's kind of tragic. It's really tragic. Like, I don't know what to say even, because it's so sad. So many people used to have a job here. And yo, what's up, buddy? This doggo just come with us since the parking area, and he's still here. Very nice doggo. And this is the only one warung what is open when he's talking with the owner. I think his daughter here. And yeah, that's how it looked like. Very sad view. This place was really full of life in normal conditions. Oh, the dog was now playing. So fun. You.
For your dinner, that's today.
That's a very beautiful fish. Check this out.
Yeah.
Very nice, yeah?
Yeah. I will grill for you.
Thank you so much. For the rest of the vlog today, we're gonna continue with Q&A, question and answer. What did you ask us on Instagram? I have here on the phone over here, so let's go with the first one. Yes, Saya?
Yeah.
Okay, so which one the first, chicken or egg?
Egg.
Okay. Do
No,
you,
egg, right?
I
Egg
don't,
first. Egg comes first and then hatch, become a chicken.
that's the very tricky question, Mr. Tartar.
But
I
somehow
really like
chicken
it.
could first.
Okay, next question. Do you know any wool sellers by Dani 674? A lot in Bali, so many wool sellers. Depends what you are looking for. Next question.
Can you please visit Padma Street or beach area of Legian?
I've
Yes.
been so many
We've been so
times.
many times there. So yeah, maybe
Co-
later we will go again.
And comment below, you're missing the singing guy over there. Okay, next question by Arka. Sorry.
Is Winnie going to teach you how to swim?
Uh,
I cannot swim. So maybe I just teach him how to jump to the swimming pool and dip. That's it.
Can you float at least? Yeah, at least.
The floaties.
If the float is like small kid. Are any extra regulations for visiting Bali in the purse?
If the person has received vaccines, well, nowadays the regulation that even that you already vaccine, but you don't hold any kitas or kitab, which is mean that you didn't have any residence card, you are not allowed to enter Indonesia. So if you hold business visa and if you already vaccinated nowadays, no, you still cannot enter Indonesia.
Okay,
Only
next.
kitas or kitab holder.
Okay, next question. Can you do a walk past coffee corner? Can you fake shop and mow moss in Legian, please? I think so. I can do it for you one day. Can Damian speak Bahasa? But Bahasa what? Because
Bahasa Indonesia, darling.
Oh, so
Yeah, only sedikit.
sedikit aja ya. Where did you meet?
In Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Guys, do for work. I am a teacher and Damian is full-time holiday maker.
Full-time holiday maker or secret service. How many bule in Sanur? I don't know.
Damian is 1 and 1 plus 100 something.
Exactly.
So, yeah. And then how did you meet and how do you feel it to live in Bali? So we met the first time in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and how do you feel to live in Bali, honey?
Yeah, it's very hot here in Bali so far, but so good. How do you guys meet each other and how are you guys? I'm pretty well. How are you, Sam? All good?
Great, amazing.
When I'll be coming home, then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes.
As I said, this Warung and this man over here, he never give up. This is the name of the Queen's Beach. Anyway, if you're gonna come, here is only one restaurant open here, and yeah, he's preparing food for us. So I hope so we can support him at least a little bit. By the way, very nice painting over here. Okay, this man cooked very nice fish for me today. Check this out.
Look at this. Smash nego, selamat
Smash
makan.
nego.
So good.
Looks very good, right?
Yeah.
Thank
So,
you.
Terima kasih.
So this is highly recommended, guys. So whenever you go to Virgin Beach and you order this one fresh fish from the ocean. So yeah, I think that's all our video today from Virgin Beach. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See ya. Take care,
Bye.
guys.